Welcome back. In this lecture, I want to talk about moving the project start date. Right now, as you see, I'm in the Gantt chart view. I'm gonna just click on the table and go to the entry view of the table, and I see to the right my Gantt. And some of these tasks are already completed, and some is one is in progress. If I want to change the start date of the project, I go to Project tab, as you see here. Then I go to Move Project and I click on Move Project. Then I get a message which says the project contains some tasks with actual values. Do you really want to still move this? If I say yes, then it's gonna move the start date of these actual start dates accordingly to the start of the project. So if I press yes, let's take a look to the Gantt as well to see what happens at the same time. I press yes and say when you want to press it, so you can say put it 15th of May, 1 month later than the planned date, and you can say move deadlines or don't move the deadlines. I say move deadlines and I press OK, and there you go. You see that the project is shifted about the months. The actual start date and also the planned start date are changed, and it is different than the baseline that you see. So it may happen, for example, that somehow you haven't started the project and then you want to, for example, shift your project. The message that we saw, that's for the case where we have the actual percentage complete and actual start date. But if we haven't started the project and we want to shift it because of, let's say, a regulation or a permitting application, you want to shift the project and postpone it to a later date without starting the project, you can click there to the Move Project and put the expected start date in order to shift your whole project schedule to another date. That's possible to do so. As you see here, that was for a project that was in progress, which logically and practically doesn't mean, because if you have it's not correct to shift those tasks that are completed because you already have started those activities in one specific part. That's something that anyway you are able to do by moving the project started. You are doing excellent. I'll see you in the next video.